Going on, everybody? This is Kevin with Exploring with KNC, and it's a very special day. I just took delivery of a new set of rims and tires for the Dodge Dakota, and I couldn't be more excited. Look at these bad boys. All right, I can't wait to get the cardboard and the wrapping off of there so I can show you the wheels and everything, but we are gonna get these puppies mounted up, and Christy's like, they're so big, I don't think they're gonna fit. They're gonna fit. I guarantee they're gonna fit. This is awesome. Let's get to it. So we've got, for tires, we got the Thompson Baja Boss all-terrain. I went with the long tread, and look at these bad boys. Look at that. Look at that aggressive tread, man. Check that out, huh? And for wheels, I went with American Racing, also their Baja model. So we got a Baja theme going here. And man, these things look badass. Look at the difference. Old and new. Will they fit? We shall see. All right, guys, 1 down, 3 to go. I don't know, man, it looks pretty awesome, if I might say so myself. Very aggressive tire. Very cool. By the way, I bought these rims and tires from Custom Offsets. It took, I want to say it took about 2.5, 3 weeks to get them here, but they shipped them for free and balanced them and everything, so that's how I'm able to just put them right on the truck. So very cool, man. Onward we go. So it looks like the torque specs on this is 135, so that's what I'm doing on this. So these are 265/75 by 16. This is a 0 offset, which takes the rim out probably 1 inch beyond what the stock was. Stock was like a plus 25, and And yeah, so right now I'm just tidying up the side. I'm gonna back the truck out, turn it around, and then we'll hit the other side. I respect these tire guys, man. Takes me a lot longer than it takes them, that's for sure. All right, well, I'm gonna get it down off of this jack, and then we're gonna pull it out and see how she looks. Oh, and by the way, before I forget to mention, I did get 5 tires and rims. So that full-size spare to match the other ones. I couldn't go with just 4, I had to have 5. And everything had to match, so it wasn't cheap, but it looks worth it so far. We'll see how they do. Well guys, that's a wrap on the installation video of the Mickey Thompson AT Baja Boss tires, along with the American Racing Baja rims. The tires are 265/75 R16. In inches, it's just shy of 32-inch diameter on the tire, just shy of 11 inches wide. The rims are 16/8, and I really like how they look on the truck. They have a 55,000 mile warranty, and once again, I bought these at Custom Offsets. Put a link down in the description below so you can check those guys out. They're great. You plug in your vehicle information, the tires you want to put on, they've got a gallery, and it'll show you other customers that have had the same setup that you're going for, and you can see what it looks like, and you can see you know, how much they had to lift the truck to, you know, put that size tires on. Pretty cool. So check those guys out in the description below. And then also, I didn't put a video together, but I'm a sucker for these Instagram ads, man. And once they get a hold of me, then they know what I like. They just market me like crazy. But this LED tow light, I went ahead and bought these ditch lights. I didn't put together a video of that. It was a very easy installation. And they put out a great deal of light, so I'm happy with them. It was $100 for the set. I'll have some night shots so that you can see how well they actually do work. And also I got these chase lights. These aren't LED coal lights. They were a real cheap brand. You know, I wasn't looking for anything that was like super bright, you know, because for somebody that's behind me. And I ran the wires along the bottom just like I did for the rear bumper. And I brought it up right through here and brought the wires up in here, and then I soldered to the lights and ran the wires there. So you see there we have the wires all through there. But anyway, just more projects, trying to get ready for the San Rafael swell. Super excited about that. It's going to be a 4-night overlanding trip with my brother and his badass monster Jeep, which you will be seeing very soon. You're going to love it. But anyway, that's about it. Until next time, we'll see you on the road.